Hello guys, so I'm back once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Zapier as the online automation tool. So Zapier is an online automation tool that allows us to connect our favorite apps such as Gmail or Slack, Mailchimp and more, and say Facebook or Instagram. So it enables us to make workflows by creating zaps which are automated tasks connecting two or more applications. So for example, you can set up a zap to automatically save email attachments to a cloud storage service or create tasks in your project management tool. So it also simplifies the processes by automating repetitive tasks across various applications. So now we're going to Zapier.com. Okay, so just like the IFTTT, there are some recommended automation triggers and actions here that they are recommending. So you can just choose from here, or if you want to create your own zap, it's also okay. But for me, since I am going to show you how it works, I will choose to use the most common apps that are being used today in social media, and that is the Instagram and Facebook. So let's try it. So my trigger is new media posted in my account in Instagram. Okay, so here's my Instagram already. So you have to connect your Instagram here and then continue. And we have to test the trigger. Alright. So if you can see, there is already checked in the trigger. So that means it's okay. Now we are going to this part. So we'll choose an account. So I'll use that one again. Alright, so I have to choose the page that I want to embed. So I'll choose the My Chick Closet creation. Then the photo URL. I'm going to Instagram. Let's choose this one. Let's copy the link. So we'll have to also, so the description is in here. So the action is send page photo to Facebook pages. You need to create a page photo. So new arrival green long sleeve. So that's it. And then let's try. So it is already testing. can customize the message here. Say, long sleeves, and then perfect for comfort and sophistication. So let's say that's the envelope. Paste the yeah. Rest. I think everything is okay. Let's try again. Step. Yeah, so now it's already hot green now. Okay, you can publish it now. And then let's wait until the zip is turned on. So yeah, now it's already turned on. So we can check if it's already in my Facebook page account. So it takes like 30 to 60 seconds or 1 minute before it appears there, because I tried it before I do this tutorial. So now let's see if there is already in my Facebook page. Yeah, so it's here already, guys. So yeah, so that's simple as that. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you again for my next video.